after work, we're gonna hit the jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi time.
2 hours later.
Meet Tony and Kate. That's Kate.
Hi.
Meet Tony,
Hola.
aka Nito.
Tony, Nito, why not?
We are going on another adventure. Why? Because
We can.
exactly, because we can.
Why not?
Because the day's not over
Right.
and we're ready to go.
Woo, woo.
Ooh, ooh.
Let's go.
What up, everybody?
What up, what up?
I'm Ruben.
And I'm Lori.
We are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
A couple of free birds who decided to sell everything and live full-time in a Class C motorhome.
In order to find a purpose beyond parenting
Seek adventures.
and reignite passions.
So come along as we figure out this nomad lifestyle.
And hopefully we can inspire you to
feel the free.
Love our life!
Yeah.
So don't forget to smack that subscribe button.
Karate chop that notification bell to see when all our videos drop. Don't miss a thing.
Don't, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Let's go!
Buckle up, Buttercup.
So how long have you guys been full-time RVing?
Since like the second week in April.
Yeah.
So you're extra newbies.
Yeah.
Yeah. We both just quit our jobs on the 1st of March this year after like 20 years.
I bought that RV like 2-3 weeks before we came out here.
Yeah.
Never
And
even
I
took it for
wasn't even
test
a
flight.
fan.
So what made you decide to go full-time?
Because we were going to kill ourselves if we just kept working our day-to-day jobs. Oh my God. And we hated our lives, every day of it.
We hated the rat race of life.
Yeah, nobody
Not our
cares.
lives.
We don't care about making 6 figures a year. We want to be happy like life sucked.
How has your happiness changed since you've been full-time?
We're completely happy because we don't have to really like worry. I don't have to be 24/7 on the clock like doing my job. I don't have to like worry and stress out all day every day of my life.
In short, K means we're a shade over happy.
And do whatever the fuck we want.
That's right. Whew.
Yeah.
That's what we want to do.
I love our lives.
Yeah.
You guys are definitely feeling the free.
Yes.
Yeah.
Feel the free.
We've never had that, you know?
It's a little awkward.
Yeah, either have we. From kid to parent.
Mm-hmm.
So
I
we're
was still a kid, yeah.
we're living our 20s right now. Oh.
There's a little bit of beach.
You never know if someone's coming up until you get right over the edge.
All right.
You guys want to venture a little bit?
Let's just do it.
All right.
Okay.
Usually go down to the
We do
left
it
here.
every night.
Oh, wow.
Hey, that's not for us to know. I just want to say
We do it every night.
that's a very healthy relationship. Look, there he goes.
There's RJ Will.
Shake it, baby, shake it. Ooh, 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 ooh.
You can see the shipwreck right over there. Rocky. It's a wild shipwreck.
You can tell the guy from Minnesota and the guy from California. We're all bundled up and he's barefoot on the beach in shorts.
Oh, hey, this one too.
Look.
Barefoot.
Oh, let's go swimming. She freaking has.
If my feet are cold, I just shimmy into the warm.
The tip of the day. If your feet are cold, shimmy down into the warmth.
Probably be easier if you had music to do it to, right? There it is. Yeah, drop it low, baby. Drop it down low.
Woo!
We love our life!
Yeah.
Woo! Now that was one adventure day. Woo!
Amazing.
Every day we have amazing life here.
Sure do.
Great life.
I love this shit.
Love this shit. And don't you know y'all could do...
It's not hard. And you don't have to be rich to do it. None of us are.
Sell everything.
Get an RV,
Sell
go
it.
work at a
Throw
KOA.
it away.
Oh yeah.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it. Go now!
Hard.
It's hard. It's hard, don't
I
you
don't know
know?
how I could penetrate those things in the front there.
It's hard to penetrate.
Okay, I don't even know what's going on. What does that
Pinky
mean?
torture.
Maybe he's got a drinking problem.
Yeah.
Maybe he got that. Maybe he got that limp in the war.
Maybe just got out of the car.
Maybe he was taking a shit and his foot fell asleep.
Yes,
Too much
exactly.
Facebooking on it.
Got caught on the toilet playing a game.
Fuck, my legs are
Mad excuses.
Damn it! Damn you, angry birds! Mom had a cat, and I didn't. It was
And I don't like my mom.
I think it was because I didn't like her either.
Yeah, it
Poor
doesn't
cat.
help.
Yeah.
Got the California salute.
Don't worry about us. Just be jealous.
Indeed.